I have a Nikon D750 with the lens. It's a Tamron 2470. Oh my god, it's 2475. Oh my god, what is this? Wait. Hi guys, so today is, I think it's Wednesday. What day is today? Hi guys, so today is Thursday. I just finished filming this eye look right here. I wanted to do the whole face, but I'm just crunching time and I just can't like film for a long time because I have not been doing anything like beauty related for the last couple of days because my gums is really aching right now. What happened was, a few days ago I eat Doritos, and then at the back of my gums, like at the edge of your like part where your wisdom tooth is, I hit the chips on that section, and I thought that it was just fine when that day it happened, but after a few days it's been like aching. So I've been taking Motrin for painkillers, and at least right now I can talk better, but it still is swollen at this point, so that's why I'm trying not to really talk that much so that it can heal. And I don't want to swollen this thing. I want it to heal very soon. So I guess filming is a little bit of a challenge for me because I don't want this problem to really get worse. I'm trying to get better as of this point, and I guess I'll just gonna be vlogging if I can. Since I'm still in here before taking this off, maybe I should do like filming setup. I know it's when you film, it's like you are in a like a typhoon, right? But I guess I have to talk right now since the medicine is still working at this point. I don't feel any pain, but I'm sure after the medicine wears off, I could have a problems with my teeth. So since I'm here at my filming area, so sorry about it because my filming area is very like small. I don't have enough space. I wish I do, but our place is just really small. But anyway, when we get to Cebu, I have a filming room over there which I can use. Hopefully my mom would let me, but we'll see about that. I will show you like my filming and also some thoughts about how to film. I'm gonna switch off to the front camera so you would see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see right here, this is my window, and so it's all natural lighting. I can do away without using this ring light with just using my camera's ISO to crack it up, but I just don't like the quality or like the noise, so I'm gonna touch up with this camera setting. Okay, so this is my ring light, this is my mic, and then my camera. I have the Nikon D750, and then this is my like my brushes here and there. Okay, some this is my mirror, and then my monitor screen, and behind me is my like backdrop. It's the tripod, 2 tripods, and then like a bar that you could just, you know, put it together. And it's just as simple. It's just a white, it's just like a white backdrop, so you just clip it and then that's it. This is simple. And then also behind me there's, I don't know if you can see, there's a light over there, so that's it. Simple. I do have other lighting, but my space, as you can see, this is my vanity, and then this is the backdrop, and this is my chair. It's very like tight. I don't really have the space to do like lighting on my back, and also putting another additional light in here inside of me, and also like putting like a, I forgot now, the reflector. If you have like 3 lights, you're gonna have shadows on your face, so you need to have a reflector here. So with my limited space, I can't really do that. Soon will I be in Cebu when everything is set up and I have a space to do my own filming room, then I can do that. If you're interested to know my camera setting, then I'm gonna talk about it now. So as you can see guys, I'm using the Nikon D750. Focus. And then my lens is a Tamron 2875 with an aperture of 2.8. Yes, but for filming I would just really like adjust my lens based on my backdrop, so I cannot see any like on the sides and things like that. And also I could have like a blurry background. So for blurry background is you really have to crack up your aperture to the lowest that you can get. So for my camera I have 2.8, but with my lens right now it doesn't really give me like a sharp and the focusing is a little bit tricky for the lens in this with my camera, because I know this my camera is a full frame and my lens is a DX, so that has a little bit of like an adjustment. So at least the lens is still working even though it's a full frame, and then my lens is a DX. My aperture mostly it's f4 to, and if my lighting starts to get darker, like sometimes when there's clouds, you know, because I'm using two lights, natural lighting and ring light, so it will change. I would crack it up to 3.2 or 3.2, something like that, lower 3.2, 3.5, something in the threes, f3s. Okay, and then for my ISO I would do 320 the most, 320 the most. And if it's really too dark, I would crack it up to 400. That's it, 400. And what else? For my white balance I would do like a tungsten light, but I set it up to a coal light. I don't know why, but with my setting like this, it will give me the best color range or dynamic range for my video. And then also I set up my white balance to neutral because I can tweak the color saturation when I do my edit. And there is a video that I forgot to like color grade and it turned out to be flat, but you can still see some color, but for me it's not really too vibrant because it was a neutral white balance. I forgot to adjust the color for that. And then what else do you need to know? My mic, I'm using the Rode Micro mic, yeah. And then I also use like this one, a shutter for my camera. My camera doesn't have the ability to well, it has an automatic autofocusing, but it's too terrible, and also it will make noise. It will record the lens moving up and down or adjusting, and it's like a terrible, it's just terrible. It's not really good. I don't have the silent lens. Buying a silent lens is also very expensive, so I don't want to do that. So I think that's it for like my video camera setting and stuff. If you're interested to know how I edit my videos, then maybe I could do that in my next video. Okay, so that's it for my camera settings, lightings, and backdrop and stuff that I use. Okay, and I guess I will just end my topic right here. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just finished my lunch. I just took off my makeup and I'm in pain right now. I just took my medicine, so I guess I just have to end my vlog for today. I know this is short. I hope I'm gonna get better and I could talk some more, and I hope I can film as well. I'm hoping to film tomorrow, but quiet yan. I hope to film tomorrow, but it really depends on my condition. because right now I'm in pain again, so I have to take a break and relax.
Okay.
And not talk.
No, don't.
Okay, so
Okay.
thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from my camera setting, my filming setup. I know it's not too detailed, but maybe I'm gonna have a separate video on that to
Mama.
talk really some more.
Okay, I gotta talk, Mom. I gotta talk.
Okay, what you want to talk?
See you later.
Okay, see you later. Okay, see you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you
I
soon.
think so. I was
Bye.
funny.